Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use Monday.com for internal communications. Our first step is to set up a communication board. This is the backbone of your internal communication strategy. You can create different boards for different departments or projects, making it super easy to keep everyone on the same page. The reason we do this is to ensure that all team members have access to the information they need when they need it. Next up, we're going to customize the board. You can add columns for different types of information, like tasks, deadlines, and status updates. This helps us because it allows each team member to see at a glance what needs to be done and where things stand. Let me explain why this matters. Having clear, concise information available can drastically reduce miscommunication and keep your projects running smoothly. Now that we've done that, let's add some automation. With Monday.com, you can set up automatic reminders for deadlines or notifications when a task status changes. This is a game changer. It means you don't have to waste time manually checking in on tasks or reminding team members of upcoming deadlines. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Monday.com is doing the heavy lifting for you so you can focus on the bigger picture. Finally, don't forget about the updates section. This is where you can communicate directly with your team, providing feedback, answering questions, and facilitating discussions. The reason we do this is to foster an open and collaborative environment. This helps us because it encourages team members to share ideas and solutions, leading to more effective problem solving. And that's it. You now have a basic understanding of how to use Monday.com for internal communications. By setting up a communication board, customizing it to your needs, adding automation, and utilizing the updates section, you can streamline your internal communication processes and boost team productivity. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, effective communication is the key to any successful project. Until next time.